Hey guys, who does not love this L'Oreal True Match Nude Hyaluronic Tinted Serum? It is so fantastic. Nothing but fantastic things to say about it except for one thing. This is so messy. Look at that. That is like so messy. So one of my subscribers, Laura Fagelman, I will link her below. She found these fantastic pumps on Amazon. I will also link the product down below, and it fits right in here. No mess. Fantastic. It comes with like it's a package of 4. It comes with like this little safety gadget right over here, so you just slide it off like this, and we're going to just take all this off. This by the way is a beautiful product, but this is so messy, you guys. So messy. And how wasteful. You are wasting a lot of sorcery of this delicious product. So you're going to just put this right in, you're going to twist it, and you're going to just take this off of its locking mechanism, and let's see if that works. And there you go, guys. It absolutely does work. So thank you so much for this fantastic idea. And if you like great ideas, if you like makeup, if you like applying it, if you like learning about makeup, then I hope you subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thanks so much for the idea, Laura.